Hey y'all, I am Carolina Tony. Today the road brings me to Marshall, North Carolina. It has almost been 5 months since the Western North Carolina floods that left thousands homeless, many dead, and yet they are still in the process of recovering, reclaiming, and trying to get back to some sort of normalcy. Today we're going to walk around and just see what progress has been made and basically what it looks like almost 5 months after the flood. And we'll get started right after this station identification. This is Marshall, North Carolina, and you see all these RVs that's parked along the river here. There used to be houses here. About 5 months past the flood, those houses there, they got damaged, but all the homes that were along this river, they are gone. Yet the river rolls on just as nothing ever happened. This is the Madison Courthouse, and it is temporarily closed. It is a beautiful courthouse. Look at the scales of justice there on the top. You know, some folks will try to say that or make some kind of rude comments about these videos, but my purpose in presenting these videos is to put it in front of my viewers to help them realize that this is an ongoing effort, and these are people that are still in need and not to be forgotten, not to be swept under the rug. through the other way of Marshall, and you can see this blue house. See, the water got up to the bottom of the windows there and blasted them out. This whole downtown was underwater. All these buildings, all these stores, all these homes. That old Star Diner gas station is gone. You can really tell on the courthouse when it come up. The water line is very evident on the front of the courthouse. It goes up about 2 foot up on the front door. I don't know if it was a house or just the water that rammed into that building, but it demolished it. This whole section of railroad, you can tell it's been built back. It was gone. In fact, there's a rail car all the way on the other side of the street. I promise you that wasn't there before. See the water line up over the top of those windows. Well, that is going to be a wrap for our trip to Marshall, North Carolina. A lot of devastation here. There's not one section of this downtown that hasn't been touched by the flood. It is well into February now. Recovery is still continuing. People are still in need of funds, in need of help. There are lots of people that are living in campers. There's still people that are camping out in tents. It's been cold the last several days. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please remember these people in your thoughts, your prayers, and anything you could do. I'm certain that they would appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching. For now, y'all have a good day.